Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download TikTok video without Watermark. So let's get into it. First of all, open up your TikTok account. Find the video you want to download. Tap the share icon in the bottom right and click copy link. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to a search engine. Search for something called SnapTik. Then paste the TikTok link and then click on download. And then you're gonna get this ad to press and it should take you back to the site. Here it is now. As you can see, this is now the video without watermark. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.